This is Carl. He found me at one of the car shows and met me and said, I got a car I need to move, but I don't have a truck. So I said, yeah, you should go to Enterprise. So we went to Enterprise and rented this really nice Dodge pickup. So he's got a really cool little race car, basically, that he's got to take to DMV to get it tags put on it and just get a inspection sticker put on it. It's a brand new kit car, so pretty cool. Excited. So hoping to get some pictures.